Maria kumando angi mwanya ni makinyite mamburani ma kuririkana Maria BARINGIKIRE kiri mutunduko wa mbomu miaka 25 mithiru atongeria maazimio ari BOMA KARUA Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene NAARUA ni maumirite na kuria kuribwa asara kirimishi iria yatongithirwe mutinoni uyu mamwe ma Maria mabonokeri ciarera ni mambire kwithira makinya mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ntuko nini na kwerenca mathina mamethirite magikurukira ni Senate yekira wirane wa kuthingatira maribi mama ukaririkano antongurukia magana mairi na 10 matere uturo ngurario mangi magwata na mangi mata endwa mao mwandiki wetu Anto kuma Nairobi Anthony Kadenyana rai MAROMBA ni mama makuririkana karika riri na ino ni riboti yawe.
Itukite miaka 25 likumalilia nde ya Kenya ya ithukiro ni magaidi mwaka wa 1998 Kenya kumantere nkurani jiandino nibomiritye omde kuririkana Kenya bala batere mioyo kumana na ithukiro lili. Kiliba mwe batongeria balabala li MAROMBA ni mambo de nyomde ni atongere banene kiringwatanire ya azimio mutongero kema kia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka mutongero kema kia na Kenya KARUA amwe na mutongero kema kia DPK Eugene NAARUA bakele kili mambura mama atongole baba bangwatanire ne azimio ni bolitithirikali ya Kenya kwanza na ile ande Amerika kujukilio ntubobo na inya nene na gutigira Kenya balaba inyilikile kumane na withukiro bobo ni bakulewa mutongero kema kia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka kelele yatekethirwa thirikali ni ajukile ithukiro lile no ritobonene ithukiro lingi lenyomba ya biashara ya Westgate litingikalika.
Has justice been done to the survivors and to the families of the departed? 25 years on, still waiting for compensation. It's better late than never. Apart from the court battle, I think that a time has come when the two governments must sit together and see what can be done.
Remember, September 11th had not happened. In fact, I was of the view that if the lesson from Nairobi had been taken seriously, September 11th could have been avoided. But maybe the world thought that is a tragedy in a third world country. Little did anybody know that was going to catch up with everybody.
Maseneta nabo bakamiti ya Senate ni balutithirikali kanda na gutigira Kenya baba ni bakolone thirikali ande Amerika batigire mari mao magutiritwa madhibitareni kilibala mpaka daino bagutiritwa ni makonyianyiwa.
Bombings claimed the lives of hundreds of innocent people and injured thousands more. These attacks serve as a reminder that no country is immune to the threat of terrorism. The committee will further coordinate with the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs in the engagement of victims representing the U.S. government and stakeholders at home and abroad to pursue and accomplish the compensation victims of the families of the victims of the Kenyan nationals. And finally, we coordinate with the Ministry of Health to explore subsidized medical treatment for the surviving victims of the BOMBLAST.
Kulingana na Daktari Romano Tasco wa Embassy Amerika, thirikari Amerika kwa dhaino nilekite kulia raia bao balaba inyerekile kilido kilolele na bota embassy nibakuthingatira kutigira baba ba Kenya ona bone bakulewa kuma muji muneno Nairobi mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.